If you think you need a modern gym full of machines, cables, supplements, and high-tech routines to transform your body, it's time to rethink everything. Long before gyms existed, our ancestors were already endurance beasts. They built powerful, resilient bodies using nothing but their own weight and whatever nature placed around them. And the best part? These ancient movements still work. And in many cases, they're better than the fancy workouts we see today. Spartan warriors, Roman gladiators, Viking raiders. None of them had machines, but all of them built intimidating physiques using raw, natural training. Today, you'll discover 8 ancient exercises that still build explosive, functional strength, proving that your body has always been the most efficient machine ever created. Stay until the end, because exercise number 4 is by far the strongest one of all. Exercise 8, box jump. Our ancestors constantly jumped over obstacles, rocks, rivers, fallen trees, while exploring wild terrain or chasing prey. The box jump brings back that explosive survival movement. Stand in front of a stable platform, a bench, plyo box, or sturdy step. Bend your knees slightly, swing your arms back, and explode upward, landing with both feet fully on the platform. Step down carefully and repeat for 3 sets of 8 jumps. Box jumps activate fast-twitch muscle fibers, the same ones used in sprinting, escaping danger, and generating sudden power. They work the quadriceps, glutes, and calves while improving coordination and cardio capacity. Common mistakes: landing with stiff, extended knees, starting with a height that's too high. Start low, perfect the form, and increase gradually. Within weeks, your jumping ability and overall leg power will dramatically improve. Exercise 7, bear hug walk. Carrying heavy, awkward objects was daily life for ancient builders and hunters. The bear hug walk perfectly recreates that raw, full-body effort. Grab a heavy sandbag, water jug, or large medicine ball and hug it tightly against your chest. Keep your spine neutral, core engaged, and walk for 30 to 60 seconds. This movement strengthens the chest, arms, core, and legs all at once. Your entire body stabilizes the load, developing real-world strength, what we call hug strength, something machines simply can't train. Common mistakes: rounding the back, so shallow breathing. Start with a weight you can carry for 30 seconds and gradually increase. In 1 month, your grip and core strength will feel completely transformed. Exercise 6, Australian pull-ups. Climbing trees and rocks was essential for survival. Australian pull-ups recreate that primal pulling motion and strengthen the entire back. Under a low bar, keep your body straight like a plank and pull your chest toward the bar. The more horizontal your body is, the harder the exercise becomes. Start with 3 sets of 8 reps. Common mistakes: letting the hips sag, not pulling all the way up. This exercise is the perfect gateway to mastering full pull-ups, another ancient strength skill. Exercise 5, farmer's walk. One of the oldest forms of strength training ever, carrying heavy loads in each hand. Hold dumbbells, kettlebells, or heavy buckets and walk with your chest up and core tight. After 30 seconds, you'll understand why strongmen consider this exercise legendary. It works. Forearms, shoulders, core, legs, cardiovascular system. Start light, keep your steps controlled, and avoid rounding your shoulders. Farmer's walks develop exceptional grip strength, one of the strongest predictors of total body power and longevity. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe. Here you'll always find science-based, practical fitness content that truly transforms your body. Exercise 4, dead hangs. This is the simplest movement on the list, but also one of the most powerful. Hang from a bar with your feet off the ground and breathe normally. Dead hangs decompress the spine, strengthen the shoulders, and build incredible grip and forearm strength. Start with 20 to 30 seconds and work up to 60. Once you pass 1 minute, try harder variations like one-hand hangs. Exercise 3, burpees. If one exercise mimics the chaos of ancient survival, it's the burpee. Duck, drop, push, rise, jump, the full cycle of human movement under danger. A burpee works nearly every muscle of the body and skyrockets your heart rate fast. Start with 3 sets of 5, then build to 10, 15, or 20 reps. Technique matters more than speed. Keep your hips aligned, complete each push-up, and jump explosively at the end. Exercise 2, Goblet Squat. Humans were squatting long before chairs existed. The goblet squat restores this natural posture while adding load. Hold a kettlebell or dumbbell to your chest, keep your spine straight, and lower until your hips are at or below knee level. Start with 3 sets of 10. This strengthens quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core while improving mobility. Exercise 1, Rucking. Simply walking with weight on your back. Roman soldiers, hunters, and nomads did this every day. Load a backpack with 10 to 20% of your body weight, keep it high on your back, and walk for 20 to 30 minutes. Rucking strengthens bones, tendons, legs, and posture, all while burning nearly double the calories of regular walking. Start light, stay upright, and increase gradually. If you enjoyed this and want to learn 6 isometric positions that deeply activate every muscle, there's a video on the screen right now. Don't miss it.